What's that mysterious ticking noise? Not in the back, not in here. Kind of catchy. Snake, snake, Severus snake, 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 Severus snake,
Dumbledore!
snake, Severus snake,
Dumbledore!
snake, Severus snake,
Dumbledore!
Ron snake,
Ron!
Severus
Ron,
snake,
please! Dumbledore! Ron!
snake,
Ron!
Severus
Ron,
snake,
please! Dumbledore! Ron! Hermione!
Severus
Ron,
snake,
please! Dumbledore! Hermione! 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 Dumbledore! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Yeah! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Hermione! Hermione!
singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's coming from a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, oh Voldemort.
Burn, 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 burn.